Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated light wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on this gear at the top right corner. Now, after selecting I accept in First Things First pop-up, you can adjust all of those options however you wish to. If you want to, you can also click on Presets at the top left corner. Click on the best one for you and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back and click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of those options. Finally, when you're ready, close Magic Fluids app. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!